Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to give a grade in a practical activity or assignment in Google Classroom. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here classwork, and then we have also the activities here, so we can go to grades. Now let's say for example we want to grade the work of Basilio. So there is a three dots here, just click that one, choose view submission. Okay, it will load the activity. So we have here the presentation, introduction to operating system by Basilio. So here there is a grade. Now let's say I will give the grade of 98, and then I can put here a comment, excellent job and thank you. So once I press the post here, it will send a notification to the students that there is a comment, excellent job, thank you. And then to submit the grade, just click the return button here. So it will notify, the student will notify and check any grade you left, 98 over 100. Click. It will inform the student with the grade that you have rated to his or her work. That's simple. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on how to give a grade in Google Classroom. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.